how to fix message not sending problem error on Android. So if you simply go up to your messages application, and if you try to send a message to anyone, so for example here you have this, right? So if you try to send a message, then if your message is not being sent, then what you can do is you can simply go back and you can choose the messages application. So for now I have been using Truecaller, or you can also go for messages which you have on your device. So I also have this messages application. So you can simply tap and hold on to that application for 2 to 3 seconds, and then you can go for app info. And under your app info, now you can go for storage and cache, and then you can simply clear the cache. And once you clear your cache, now your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can open up your Play Store and you can search for your messages application. And here I have this application which is Google Messages. So if you have an update option under your Google Messages, then you can simply go for update, which will be on the right side instead of that open button, so that you can update your application. And once you update your application, your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then here on the left side you will have uninstall option. Simply go for uninstall, and once you've uninstalled, you can restart your device. Hold on to that power button, and here you will have restart option. Tap on restart, and once you've done all of these settings, you can restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you fix your messages not sending problem. But the last reason that your messages are not sending is because you don't have enough balance or sufficient balance to send the message. Sometimes that might be also the problem. So check your balance or check your money on your account, and if you don't have any balance, then your message will not be sent. But even after having money, if your problem is not being fixed, then you can use all of these fixes which I have just discussed. So that's it. That's how you fix your message not sending problem error on Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.